Hey YouTube, Spider G here. I just sharpened the Mini Labrador in 14C. Came out wickedly sharp, or it came out good. I haven't been in this one in a little while. I've been doing clones for a little bit, so I wanted to get a good steel. And this one I use a lot around the house, so I wanted to go ahead. It's actually kind of my wife's knife. I make sure she has like a little knife that she could use that's not intrusive or scary. This is just super sharp. She knows how sharp my knives get, and she does use this. So we'll go ahead and open this one up, clean it for her, keep it up to date for her. So very simple construction. It's just like the Labrador, but shrunken down. And I believe all you have to do on this one is this TA, no, but is take off this particular one because it's holding, the clip is holding everything together, and that should be it. You put that titanium clip over there. These are really small bearings, so I like to keep them nice and good for her. All right, nice and good edge on there for her. Bam, looks good. I'm still continuing to strop it and just make it nice, just real careful with it. Alright, so let's go ahead and clean these bearings. Super small. Dang, I don't know if that rolled over. I just did this in one, so and put that one over here, and let me re-clean this one. Alright, good to go there. Go ahead and wipe this down. Wipe this down. Wipe down inside the knife area. The flipper is. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Alright. Let's go ahead and get that pivot. It's already smooth. This thing is great. Alright, so let's go ahead and lubricate these bearings. Let's put the pivot in. Yeah, excuse my hands. I've been sharpening and taking apart knives, and so all in back to back here. So please excuse the dirtiness. Working. Alright, let's go ahead and put some juice in there. Let's cut out right there. Put that down. Put a little more juice right there. Some juice on that side and on that side. Doesn't usually require this much, but I like to make it good, so I'm just gonna lubricate that washer in there. I guess we could use some. I'll lubricate this other bearing first and install it. Alright, I already did that. Okay. Alright, so now let's draw off this track from the regular, so we can put some heavy, just a little. Boom. And one dot. Boom. Alright. There we go. So it's pretty quick. Alright, so 14C. Here is the Let's spin this around. I get that D shape there. Right on. I'll fill it on the other side once it seats. Looks like it's there we go. Now it's hit seat. Sit down. There you go. Alright, let's go ahead and put the other scale up to it. Let's go ahead and put this out of play. Alright, so you can see where it's seated all the way through. No gaps. Let's clean this off. I need to put that pivot in it. Okay. Alright. Okay, so let's put this pivot in. It's a T8. Now it's all the way seated. It became unseated as it was screwing in. So, alright. That's why it was off centered. Alright, so let's go ahead and put in the pocket clip. This is basically body screw and pocket clip in one. Alright. That's T6. Pretty deep as far as the hardware, so I like that. I'd like to see T8s on everything, but you know, someday they'll do that. Most of them are these days. Alright, so that's nice and snug. Snug that. That's seated. No play. Right to where I like it. However, I fine tune it. So, all right. Yeah. See how we look when we back it off a little bit. That's right. I like it. That way it doesn't guillotine on her fingers or anything. Because she knows how to do that. She knows how to put it away. So the more I can make it tight to where she could move the lock bar, put it down, and then not feel the bearings either. So I'll back this off just a little bit. Like this. Go. Just so the bearings, there's no play. Still dead nut centered. No left or right or up and down. And we'll go ahead. Let me see something here. Let's see. There we go. There it is. I guess I was overtightening it, overthinking it. And that's right where it was before. So it's just a one shake for her. And so it doesn't like, because she doesn't really do like what we do. She'll pop it open and either leave it for me to close, but she knows how to like move it across and close it like that now. So she's not gonna have us to worry about it coming down on her fingers. But if I make it tight enough to where it doesn't accidentally or whatever, it's up to about 50% lockup with this, so she doesn't do any rough, she'll cut open her mail or what have you, cut off some tags off clothes or her bags she gets and stuff like that, or packages. This is her own little EDC along with the flashlight I have on her keychain, some mace, some all kinds of stuff I have for her. But yeah, titanium everything, 14C. Nice good edge on this mini Labrador. Perfect Amazon opener for her. I like it too though. Anyways, that was a good sharpening. That's how you know he's got good steel doing these replicas. I mean, some of them are mystery steels, and then I like to go back to a 14C or something. Legitimately, not those aren't heat treated right, but these I know what they are, and they're fun to sharpen. So these clones are fun too. I mean, some of them could go quick, some of them come out really nice. I'm not really worried about their edge retention or anything. It's just for funs and to practice and everything. So, but that'll do it. That was the sharpening results and the breakdown and cleaning of the Vosteed Mini Labrador. Man, Vosteed has been putting out some bangers, like one after another. I mean, just the porcupine, the martin, the everything is just awesome. So it's a good time for the budget world and for Vosteed. So okay, that'll do it for me. That was the mini Labrador and 14C breakdown, cleaning, maintenance, sharpening results. Have fun, be safe. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.